हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं क्रिएटिव राइटिंग ऑन द टॉपिक ताजमहल। जी हाँ, जब भी हमें कोई भी हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट के बारे में आपको लिखना आता है या कोई भी ऐसे आता है, पैराग्राफ आता है, तो आप वहाँ पर ये ताजमहल के बारे में लिख सकते हैं। और ब्यूटी ऑफ आर वर्ल्ड, उसमें भी आपको ताजमहल लिख सकते हो, बिकॉज ताजमहल जो है वो हमारे 7 वंडर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में से एक है। So let's start. Taj Mahal is a great Indian monument that attracts thousands of people from all over the world every year. It is located on the bank of Yamuna River in the city of Agra in Uttar Pradesh. It is known as the symbol of love, as Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built it in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is the best known and the most famous example of Mughal architecture. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. There is a lovely fountain with the water stations in front of the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal display in the water makes for a fantastic sight. It looks like a fairyland. Taj Mahal has been listed to the UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1983. Taj Mahal is one of the most favorite destinations for tourists around the globe. So I hope you liked the video. Now this will help you to write a beautiful paragraph and essay on the topic Taj Mahal. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video.